How hard is it to get into Columbia University? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Terry, part of the ACE College Pro Team, and we're here to help you with your college admissions journey. We're a group of experts with over 15 years of combined experience in college admissions, so you can trust us to guide you through the process. Columbia University is a highly respected school located in New York City. It's known for its challenging academic programs and impressive alumni. Every year, thousands of students apply to Columbia, making it a highly competitive university to get into. But don't worry, we'll give you the inside scoop on how to increase your chances of acceptance. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. According to Columbia's admission statistics, only 3.9% of students who applied for the class of 2025 were accepted. Out of over 60,551 applications, only 2,355 students received an offer to join the incoming class. That's a pretty small number, so you can see why getting into Columbia is such a challenge. But that's not all. The average GPA of students accepted to Columbia University is a whopping 4.12, which is higher than a perfect 4.0. That might seem intimidating, but don't let it discourage you. Colleges consider many factors when reviewing applications, including extracurricular activities, essays, and test scores. Columbia wants to see that you have varied interests and that you're active in your community. So, get involved in sports, clubs, volunteer work, internships, or any other activities you're passionate about. Show them that you're more than just your GPA. Speaking of test scores, did you know that in 2023, Columbia University announced that they no longer require standardized tests? In the United States, this is part of a larger trend among colleges and universities as they reevaluate the role of standardized testing in the admissions process. Many schools have become more aware of the potential biases and limitations of standardized tests and are looking for alternative ways to evaluate applicants. This is great news for students who don't test well or who don't have access to expensive test prep resources. Moving on to interviews. They're not required, but they can be helpful for borderline candidates. If you choose to interview, alumni members will conduct the interview, which can take place in person, via telephone, or video chat. The interview is expected to last about 45 minutes and takes place in a neutral setting. The interviewers want to learn more about you and give a good impression of Columbia. So make sure to practice your delivery and be yourself. Now let's talk about how you can increase your chances of getting into Columbia. Research, research, research. Take the time to learn about Columbia's academic programs, campus culture, and student life. This will not only help you decide if Columbia is the right school for you, but it will also give you valuable insights that you can use to create a compelling application. Also, don't be afraid to show your unique personality and voice in your essays. This will make your application stand out and show the admissions committee who you really are. Remember, getting into Columbia is a challenge, but it's not impossible. Focus on your strengths. Showcase your unique personality and voice in your essays, and practice for your interview if you decide to go that route. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck.